Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add token on Tonkeeper wallet. So the first step you need to do is to open Tonkeeper. So once you open, you simply need to click on browse, and once you are here you can see different digital nomads, exchange, DFIs, NFT utilities, but there is no token. So you simply need to search for the token address here. So this is an example that I am showing. So search here any token, you need to search, and here you can see that it is ton.dating, and then you simply need to click on connect with wallet, and after that you need to click on connect wallet, and here you need to add your passcode, and after that you are good to go. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.